In this video, we'll see how to install and configure the verification station. The installation steps are exactly the same as we did for the other stations. So I'll go to the shared folder where the installation setup file is saved. Right-click Auto Run, Run as Administrator, click Yes, Distributed Installation, Install Workstations, OK. I accept, Next, enter the username, organization, Next. I'll unselect everything and just select verification station. Next, I'll enter the license server hostname. Next, install, and it should start installation. The installation should take a while, so I'm just gonna pause this video and we'll be right back. Alright, I'll click finish and the installation is completed. Now I launch the verification station by going to Start, ABBYY Flexicapture 12 stations, and here you go, verification station. Now here you need to specify which project you are trying to connect to. So I'll click Browse from Server, and I'll enter the application server's URL, which is http://ABBYY-app-server. Click Test Connection. The connection test succeeded. Click OK, and it'll show you the list of available projects. So there's only one project that we uploaded, which is our credit card project. So I'll click OK. Then I'll select the verification station operator, click OK, and you can see all the items waiting for your verification. I'll complete the verification of all these items so that we can see the output. And once you complete one document, it will say, do you want to save it? I click yes, and it goes to the next document. You can see that the status shows verified for the items that are completed. So I'll continue doing this for all the documents. Alright, finally, when all the documents are verified, you will get this message which says there are no errors in the batch. So I'll click OK and close task. Click yes to save the changes. And now if you go back to the project setup station and refresh, the batch has disappeared. That is because the filter criteria here is set to all batches except processed. So if I click this drop down and select batches on stages, then select all the stages and click OK. Now you should see the batch, and if you notice the stage, it shows processed. Wonderful. Now if I go back to the output folder, I can see a folder called export that is created automatically by ABBYY, and if I go into it, I can see another folder with the batch name created, and if I go into that, I can see all the output here. Alright, so that is it. The entire setup is successful and production ready. In the next video, we will install the development tools, which are basically the Flexi Layout Studio and Form Designer.